Welcome to Ignite Wheels. Subscribe Ignite Wheels channel for the latest bike reviews and upcoming launches. The new 2027 Kawasaki KX112 is built for young riders stepping into serious motocross. It blends race-ready performance with a lightweight chassis, making it perfect for competitive tracks and intense training sessions. Engine and performance. At the heart of the KX112 is a 112 cubic centimeters two-stroke, liquid-cooled engine tuned for sharp throttle response and strong mid-range power. The updated intake and exhaust design help deliver quicker acceleration, while the smooth power curve keeps control in the rider's hands. Transmission and handling. A 6-speed close-ratio gearbox ensures precise shifts on tight circuits and long straights. The slim frame and optimized geometry improve cornering stability, giving riders confidence at high speed and during aggressive jumps. Suspension and brakes. The KX112 features high-performance inverted front forks and a rear unitrack suspension system, designed to absorb hard landings with ease. Powerful disc brakes at both ends provide strong, predictable stopping power in all track conditions. Design and ergonomics. With its factory KX-style graphics, aggressive bodywork, and flat seat design, the 2027 model looks race-ready. The ergonomics allow easy rider movement, improving control during standing rides and corner transitions. Final verdict. The 2027 Kawasaki KX112 is a perfect step-up motocross machine, combining lightweight agility, proven reliability, and race-focused engineering. It's built for riders who are ready to push harder and chase podium finishes.